It's a function for you to stay connected with your loved ones. You can add them in and include them in your tribe, or even create groups to stay connected. You can tag them in your memories, or you can actually double it up to add in your specific loved ones that you would like to include in your will at the later function, which we will explore. So to create tribe members, you can either go to your dashboard to click on the task over here, or you can directly go to the tribe tab. And to add your tribe members, you just click on the purple button and you will appear like that. So I will start off by adding a profile picture. So I click on the profile picture, the icon over there, I go to my gallery, and let's see, I choose to add my sister. So I've chosen her profile picture, and for the display name, it could be anything. Maybe you could call her Sis, right? And you can choose the relationship, so siblings. Choose her birthday. Country, Singapore. Alive or deceased. This function is so that you can also add any members or any loved ones that has already passed on, as you can also tag them and share it with your close ones. So email, you can key in their email. Over here, you can invite them by checking this checkbox, and an email will be sent to their mailbox to invite them into your tribe. Once they have actually accepted your invite, they can see any post that you have shared with them or tagged with them in the app. So at this portion, the more info needed for Smart Will generation over here is their mobile number, name as per NRIC, their NRIC, as well as their address. This is so that you can populate it immediately after you reach the Smart Will or Bequest function. So I'm just going to type it in here. Details, simply click save, and there you go. Your tribe member, your first tribe member has been created. So now I'm showing you an account that has already been populated with a few number of tribe members. So there is child, siblings, spouse, friends, parents, and even mentor. So next up, we can create groups. Groups is so that you can keep track of each other's relationship, and you can tag them all together by using a group instead of individual. So to simply create a group, just click on the plus button and give a group a name. So for example, childhood gang, or it could be soul sisters, your closest female friends, or it could be soul brothers. Give some description. You can add more if you would like to, and then you click add tribe member. and my sister, my best friend, and hit save. So if you scroll to the bottom, you'll see that your group has been created. In the next tab, this is your appointments tab. After you have completed your smart wheel, your bequest, after you've gone through the process, at this tab, they will show you what is the respective tribe members that have accepted your invitation to their tribe. They will reflect what are their roles in specific wheels, or what are your roles in the specific wheels of others also. This is only available if they allow you to see it, and they can only see yours if you allow them to see it. So that's all for track today. Thank you very much.